Y'all already know I can fuck up some hair extensions, so we're about to get to it. It feels like a baby's ass. My hair looks terrible. So we're gonna be doing a U shape, so you're gonna need a brush and you're just gonna like make a U. To make this easier, I'm gonna start by the side. I'm going to be taking my weft and I'm gonna cut off a piece that perfectly fits on the side. So it looks like this. This is medical grade tape and they're also seamless. You don't wanna do it too close to the root. Literally blends so fucking perfect. You're then gonna lift up the hair. Just gonna put the single side tape on this side. I put my straightener on a very low setting and I just squeeze it together. I'm the most impatient motherfucker alive. I'm not a professional. I'm here to look good. That's about it. My hair's really dark in the back, so I'm just gonna slap a piece like right here. If you're like me and you have really like thin hair on the bottom, the key is to just take little mini tapes and put them right here. This hair quality is fucking amazing. We're not even done and just look at how fucking good this looks. Like, just want you guys to see how fucking easy this is. I use 150 grams of hair, 22 inch, and these are the Endearing Hair extensions in Mocha Brown and Chestnut. It is so important to get the color that matches your hair. All right, this is the one part that everyone forgets in their fucking tape-in tutorials. You gotta cut the hair. Snip, snip, motherfucker. I killed that shit. Hairdresser who? I went from like a 6 to like a 9, okay? From the back. I'm in love with the stripper. Don't tell me ever again I look better with short hair. Now I can get my hair pulled and they're gonna stay in, so.